Big up Crosses TV.
No, like, me never follow Crosses TV one day from my next page. I said, Stevie, everything's them.
But a girl, you know me not run some pussy joke. You know me a one blood clot budge. Me not run a pussy mouth joke there. So when you attack,
Matic, look how long you roll it down.
when you attack,
Look how long you roll it down, Papa.
look how long me a hold it. All the girl up on the internet these. Me nah look, you know, me and her still, she text me, I'm still answer her. All when she up on the internet, me say turn to her, I say, Twep, leave the internet alone, done. Do you think the internet want to see you, whatever, I say, girl, leave it. I better, me even turn to her, I text her, I say, girl, like just like when you take up the phone, and you see me and the girl a message, and you find out, say, you could have take the phone, see me and call her, because I never in your vision. You could have take the phone and see me, you take it up and I read, you could have call her, and you could have class her and do the things, and all of this could have stay off of the media about your life views, and you want to try blood clot, feel like you can make no money over here for blood clot, do the things them, because you walk on mind, man, like dog.
No, Matic. You know me always I got cheer for you, know. You say if you move on, Matic, just leave it alone.
They are foreign. We bring back be under
No,
and don't bring back
Matic, me not gonna stay for ya. Later, Matic. Hey. Matic, me not gonna stay. Later, baby, later. Later, me come check you.
So what you mean?
But that style, I do.
What you mean? And my mother, she make them at this. Me a class up everybody from street. The mama go write down. The only thing spirit they will write here, so. Everything I get rub class, everything.
Boy.
What she call B? Yeah, the next argument they come talk about say B. Twep what you call B. Twep the shirt we have on yesterday in a Queen in the barber shop. Twep remember you look for your shirt and say Matic. You remember that shirt yeah? Where you bust up and bust up the and blood up the whole of my mouth. Twep me come on, you know you can't play with me. Twep then me a mascot. Twep ask any girl over there with that. Any girl I used to fuck. Twep ask them.
Matic, later. This too much now. This too much later.
Twep me my football. Yeah, come to make one girl like you beat me. It's what you talk about. Twep say one place in your house you have to sit down. Well, anything what you want to say, but make sure it say Twep make sure you pay back the Batman the $600 for the bedroom set where you take him $600 and borrow for buy. Twep the bed where you sleep and look like it's a second hand of blood clot. Twep move a dirty blood clot and you're the worst bad rat. Twep you're the only girl come through the bar that you live like a low blood clot class. Twep your bad man from a bedroom set. Twep you want come and you want. Me no want to see that. Twep you worry about the wrong things. Twep you worry about Sarah. Sarah a problem? Twep my wife is very alright, you know, she's a nurse, you know, Twep slash doctor, you know, Twep. Nurse slash doctor, you know, Twep. Twep, I want if you know Sarah can get you out of our country, Twep, because you take her man, you take her husband, her slash her wife. Twep, remember good now, Twep. And I try pin baby. Hey girl, just blood clot. Hey girl, just careful, you know. Me tell you, say, I don't want to go, girl, let's go away, you hear me, I tell you? Let's go away, Fucking outada. And you know, me not gonna make she me come this up her mother. Cause you see her mother bad too bad, me not gonna tell her lie. Her mother is very corrupt, you know, me not gonna tell her lie. But you see when truth for talk, her mother gonna talk the truth. Bad too bad. Dirty Twep for sure, you know, used to for work in a foreign or work no way. For my work, I lose my bike and your blood clot response underneath the live when I click my live when them teeth my bike. My careless. Oh, my fear work and my careless. You see, you used to for sell out your all, you don't even know what is work. Cause all you used to for sell out your all your body, Twep your all your body rub out no blood clot. Twep your mouth done, your all done, every part you done, Twep. Me never want to go here so with you and you know that girl. Say this is not what I wish for. You know me that this is the last place I want to go with you, girl. Since night, me you talk about this day before yesterday and the day before for you just started. Me reason and talk about this. Cause me and the baby they left me there right. And my daddy and my friend them cause she a complain and she a said this, that, the third. I'm looking to it, me the weird jersey, my blood clot there. In a car, and my friend turned to me and said, Matic, bad to bad. Don't make because of she, because my friend know everything what she do. My friend said, dog, don't make because of she, you not deal with the baby. And I said, dog, you would even understand what I go through. Same, so I turn to my friend and I say, dog, you don't understand when I go through when me and I no friend. I'm saying, youth, me a lower and her baby, Because me now do that drama, suck me here with dar. She helped 1 and 2 times. 1 and 2 times. But me hide from landlord. She fucking crazy. I see him, so she did it and I call people, I tell Onel about me, my landlord, and this, that girl. Girl, she's there. Oh, me for my landlord, girl. See me landlord, business. My landlord, me can't own my landlord. That was where I say, my landlord did me so good. See me, the carry the ask cheese. Ask the boy next door, cause he look like he did want to fuck him. Ask him too. When me lift up the bonnet, my landlord, I drive in a big blood clot Toyota Tundra and stop and pull up. If I owe me, my mama deal with me so good, that means me that good blood clot tenant. I just the truth. If me owe my landlord, him see me, but I do my own thing and I penetrate to my car, and him when him yeah, and him come out of him van and go about him business. She can't say anything. She can't say anything. Twep, come show you. Twep. Stop what you're doing right now and show the people them the blood clot things them were in your house right now. If you're a young blood clot girl. She can't say me chat cheese. That's how she can't say. Twep, stop talk. Twep, come off for your life and go pay back surgery $500 she use and buy the second-hand bedroom set. We use and buy the second-hand bedroom set. Twep, me shame of you. Me shame of you, Twep. In a real life, me shame of you, girl. When you have video call me day before you see them, I see that you asleep and girl, me that come off from my bed and get that shit. And you know that. And buy a brand new one, come me a top boy that foreign. 4-bedroom set me change. Since me there, you know that me a top boy in a foreign. No dirty boy. Twep. For you where you brag and a boast right now and attack. I hear this and that. Twep, come show them your bed. Twep, come show the bedroom set where in the blood clot place where you say you get an house where you hype up. Twep, at the last day I go hype up for the house because the government have to know about you. The government have to know about you, say you're not living in a more free things them. And when you come in my place, you say blood clot, Matic, remember good. And Twep remember say a weeks me get close for.
Let me say something real quick. You see how y'all see my cousin in the comments? My cousin is Nisa Bling. Don't fucking disrespect my cousin in the fucking comment section because I'm gonna block you on this fucking live tonight. Fucking enough. Don't disrespect my cousin.
Yeah, cause I got.
Me the right cause remember angry my business okay that's there. What happened?
No, me have angry business. Me come on the live car. You been silent. I'm gonna hear you talk out to him.
No, cause me you know say me never want to come here so with it. You know
at
that.
At the end of the day, listen, I don't like this fear and the things me, you know, I don't want to see you do this. But at the end of the day, you come and defend yourself and talk, you have to talk out to him out. Because at the end of the day, it is what it is.
So now that me I get it technical.
You get it technical.
Yeah, I get technical. Right now, my hand on any. So anything possible. Anything possible. I've told you if you get a lion right now, your career over. I tell you that. Your career over. O-V-E-R over. If you know that, I will tell you.
Bad to bad. Bad to bad, you know, bad to bad. You know, I love you. To my heart, you know, I'm not going to be biased.
Cause, well, I'm asking something, cause. Come here, she come talk about whatever. Cause, no, I tell you, tell about a girl. Let me ever listen to you.
Bad to bad. I go on bad and the things that I love.
You go on bad, cause none of my family
even talking, listen, Matic. I talking for my life since night.
Twep your teeth them brown in it. Twep you're the worst girl I ever talk to, you know.
I don't know if the people them believe me. You malice everybody around you. Because
I
of
know me, Molly, she build enemy for me. Me no
but
Molly
you, no, she not build the enemy for you. You build the enemy them for yourself. Because at the end of the day, you have your own man. At the end of the day, no matter what anybody tell you, you're true fear and the things them. So at the end of the day,
and then she dare come talk about me never yet have you but bitch when the world a turn upon you, me was the only person who feed the dirty blood clot and give comfort. Remember good when everybody turn about baby father, everybody me was the only somebody give comfort, dirty girl. Remember good? Dirty top when me have to give much ragga so for scrub off your dusty body.
At the end of the day, Matic, at the end of the day, you have your feel, as I'm say, listen, cause, as I'm say,
Our baby father, I'm gonna tell you how she come off foreign.
Listen, cause we know, me and Twep not have anything, and I don't want nobody to take me and I have nothing.
Cause we no cause we no, cause she come talk about baby father. Remember going at that. Remember going at that cause. Wait, cause give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
Stop talking about baby father bring a girl foreign. Cause remember, come like when you attacking. Remember good. Remember you tell me and cheese. Upstairs in a cheese blood clot house when cheese live at 219. Say all the blood clot or you reach a foreign. You trick the boy cause chewing blood clot dons. If I 30,000 for the ticket, they tell him 60,000 and double up the ticket. Them I swear you reach a foreign. Boy, bring you come a friend, don't think y'all. Baby, I'm mad yo. Mad yo. Everyone I hear me, them are mad you. I look a girl I'm mad you. Look no cute and girl. I look a batik or skack up somewhere. You want to dip them on full tep. You want a surgery for your holy face. Your face come like when me a drive over Portmore in a blood clot. Run a back road.
So them something I could have go on. Never
Clot. You
can't get taken for true?
Who I am eh?
Can't get taken for true?
If the girl sad, so everything from she come around me, my car get taken, my bike them get 2 bike thieves since you come Twep and my TV them a match up. Twep your real crosses. Twep for you come on my TV them and your baby shower the night. Remember your baby shower the night, my TV, my big 65-inch my shop the night.
But cause, as I'm say, yeah, your own Dan, Twep our own big man. The fact of the matter is, everybody need to come to reality. You move on.
Grateful.
You move on. Twep move on. The fact of the matter is, Twep come America with our belly, and at the end of the day, you suck up to it, you have to suck up to, and at the end of the day,
deal with it like a man. Bitch, you can't come talk on a baby father, right? Your baby father is a boy. Me, you have to look up to me, he's a man. Twep, remember when you got a girl, I should not want to talk some things. I get dragging out, don't get Twep, baby, tell a baby, hey girl, go suck your mama. Hey girl, me release the video, don't rap with me. Me get in a fucked up. You get me fucked up in the mat, cause.
Now release that video, now do them something there.
Cause you make my head get mad now.
Now release that video, You need to
come
go
on, can you get me, cause me, I feel like my head I get fucked up, cause go on, come here, drink the NSA, and my head I get
anything you want, you don't have your back. More than. You don't hear, and you don't hear anything you get if you take. Because at the end of the day, your class, everybody around you, malice, everybody around you. You do the things them to everybody around you, and the things them. And if I tell you something, if me and your family, and I tell you something, Bob, you call Twep and tell her something, tell you.
Because, you see that shit what she love though? Lie she tell,
Matic, me and your family is true. You love her, you did love her.
Me never say me never love her, cause me never say that. I never say that, cause I mean, ask her. No, if she wish she come tell the truth now, cause ask her. If you tell me something, cause she can't hear about that, ask her that. Ask her that. You have a problem with cheese, girl. Cheese no business with no way going between me and you. If I have a blood clot cheese, a long time me that come out for your dirty blood clot if I never cheese. You come talk.
I don't want to get the baby. Why should be there? Listen, I don't say no, cause I don't want to get the baby involved. Come, I love the baby. I don't want Matic to get the baby involved. But listen, it's not about the baby because Twep called me one night and said to me, say she want the baby for say the father for say the baby and me.
I should not tell me a people she call and I tell that.
So me call Matic and when me call Matic, I say cause. At the end of the day, what is what I'm going to talk to my cousin Matic say, all right, cause whatever. So, it's not about the baby. At the end of the day, cause Twep just heal now and her pussy a jump and the girl want outside. She want to read. Cause when me listen to Twep live, I'm going to hear Twep say, dildo, and wipe off and infection and scratch or whatever. And then she talk about man, girl, who they want in your wall.
Twep don't tell no lie on 850. 850 again a scratch cut. Dirty old girl. Don't tell no lie on 850. Yeah, get right now, I'm corrupt in the blood clot, man. I mean, right now, I'm not hold back nothing a blood clot. I'm strip naked and blood clot deal with you. Me have to strip naked and deal with the blood clot, you. Because right now, you get me corrupt in the blood clot. You get me corrupt in the blood clot. Because I'm sit up on the internet naked with you in the blood clot. You get me car the fuck up. Just come reason with me now. Come reason with me. Which part 850 give you scratch? Come here, girl. Come here, big blood clot. Suck out, fuck out, choke out, girl. Come here, self out, girl.
Honestly now, I want to ask you a question. Because you know, me go ride with you by tonight. What cost the beef now? Cause at the end of the day, me know say as well the internet didn't know me that try brought the silence with Yana. And nobody never knows so Yana left a month
even when one day you come and you agree a fucker, cause what me do? Me not avoid you, me get mad by you.
Yes, so that me I say a month
come and make it look like me want this internet thing here with her, you know. Big dirty brown tea girl like a me want internet thing there, you know, girl.
A month I know she had the shelter Yana don't talk. What cost all of this?
The big batty girl. The big batty girl, I just the truth. The big batty girl cause all of the problem because she going on my phone because she come the night and think me and her that fuck and the things them and she realizes that is that take place. Of course me not like when me and her kick off and when she go up on her live the day before yesterday, my stick text her, I say girl no matter what, me love your girl, just love certain thing. Me move on and you move on, just accept it. When she fuck, she never know who she inquire and I ask my friend them, the girl look better than me. This, that girl, me hear everything. I'm sit down and me just laugh with them, me no pay no mind, me no whatever, me no entertain you. Cause me I say, cho, me can't bother with the fuckery. You tell me, boom, me go say, you say, alright then. Me come here, come to an agreement, I will say, alright then. Here we go on 2 days out of the week, you have to keep the work. I say, alright then, no problem, fine. You bring the baby come and that was your fucking excuse because you want care tired old palmy where your man blood clot just go leak again. No one thing with me, Matic. No girl not go take no money in them bumble and come back with that. No.
Matic,
you want come run joke with 850 but 850 get scratch dirty 12.
Cause I'm a face now sure.
Don't dare you.
Cause I'm a face now sure.
Don't tell a lie on 850.
I'm a face now sure.
No damage. No harm. Cause Twep member good the night. Twep if you want we go down in this. Twep. We can't go down in this in a church.
No bother with that.
Twep me can't go down in that. Cause right now I'm strip naked and I feel like a real big pussy, girl. That's the truth. I feel like a real bitch in the morning at Twep. So talk to me. I feel like a bitch. Talk to me, girl. Girl, talk to me. Girl, me start a butch this morning. Girl, talk to me. Come strip naked and leave the girl. Talk to me good. Me and no butch this morning.
My banana, yeah.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Can you get out and now? Come talk to me. You get 2 blood clots. Anything a blood clot and a beer thing. I lick up in the take you the fuck off the internet. And that's on fucking God. Girl, me I run from this with you in a big dirty girl. Cause me ever tell us a girl. Bad to bad, it gone bad already. I'm done get myself caught up in a something. The minute my bumbuckler take up a bumbuckler responsibility for my head. Did I not tell you that? Oh, you come make it look like say no. Even if you come split the script on blood clot me, I'll make it seem like oh, I'm Matic got the problem. Oh, me did affect you now, I'm in trouble you. Are you gone in on my phone? Are you gonna message the people them and you want to mash up my life? Remember you tell me on phone, remember you called me yesterday. You not stop until it mash up because you're ready to come back for me. Remember you tell me that, so, oh yeah, say me ugly now. Oh, all of a sudden I'm ugly in a 2 minutes. After you just tell me that I'm ugly in a 2 minutes, you're going to live and say I'm ugly. In a 2 minutes. Eh? Twep can call me ugly? Twep call me ugly. Twep, let me tell you how your ugly spell. Your ugly spell Z-U-G-L-Y. As ugly in a blood clot. If you call me ugly. If you lay down with that ugly somebody like me, that mean you're worse than me, dirty girl. What you say? What you say, Twep? Twep go clean up your backyard before you come for Matic. You hear me I tell you? Come in a still a blood clot pick your can the right way in a dirty drunk cry. You know that me not pick your can yet. You understand? And I want see you make the can in a pick yet. You understand? Even when you push fire with blood clot fire. Cause one thing with me, I love something, I love it. I'm not making you become a destroyer. Look a baby girl we have cause she's sweet in a blood clot. But you, demon girl, when I have no time for your pitney, come off of the internet and go spend time with the pitney dirty girl. And money have time for a phone, big stinking girl. The time when you take and work and try to take care of blood clot pitney, they on internet and bomb man. What kind of situation, what kind of condition you're in for now for one talk with man. Girl, go get a life, go get a whole of your life. Go get all one of your life. In the name of Jesus. I will sanctify your blood clot this morning. In the name of Jesus. Me will sanctify your girl. I don't wrong but you say me will sanctify your blood clot. I'm tell ya. If you push me to the blood clot max, me will get to the max with you. I'm still no blood clot pick. You can't remember that. Can you see when them shot you fire by your dirty blood clot? You think you say me wicked yet? Huh? You think you say me wicked yet? Girl, me tell you, I been a telephone day when I leave it to calm my inner girl. Cause you so you're wicked and contact, but me never yet do nothing for your girl. You see, in case anybody, all the same, I expect better for you guys. I done said. You said done said, so I expect better from you. I mean, I look for better from you. But always remember this in a life. Me no want to see, I'm a best friend that.
She's calling.
Bestie, me no right now, me not take no call, bestie. Angle me naked. I angle the blood clot, girl. Cause she think me's a man, me's not a man, cause me never tell her say me's a man. Me's a girl who put on the blood clot dick out of my jaw night time and fucking your pussy. That is what I am. Me never tell her say me a man yet. Cause if you look right now, check my underpants, it flat no blood clot. Me never tell her say me's a man. Come on now, come talk to me now. And then you make me, you're not going to paint a picture over here like me's a bad person. You know, so long me I will it a days of the life. A days you do this and a days you do that. A days you go on you alone and take the internet. I want me do? I take my girlfriend and I talk to my girlfriend because my girlfriend have to respect me. And you dirty germs, I can't respect you because me ain't in a nothing. So I have to deal with the dirty blood clot. As a dirty girl, stop walk and post about blood clot tight hole in your mouth. No tight hole. Move your. Me no know how for class you no more. Don't get my head Gigi and too Gigi the right way. Me will release them out of my phone quick and fast.
Mad this girl, cause they need another mother.
Ooh.
This China.
Me no want no China for my man. Move. Me no want. I'm not babes. I don't want no moderator. My best friend there. Are you there?
So mad her there.
Me no want no moderator. Me alright. Me no want no. Nobody want right. Me no want no moderator in my comment section. Me no know them from no know. Well, somebody me know right is my best friend.
Tell your best friend.
Listen, right now me not see nobody. The whole thing me I see right now for my scream at me. I me not see the dirty teeth girl we have on gold teeth over there. So me not see no gold teeth girl over here. Me no want best they don't block nobody. Cause anybody want talk right with them all right now in this morning. Me not penetrate them. Only somebody me I see right now are the brown teeth girl. And she alone me I say, Twep me tell you, I'm give you good advice. Use up the insurance, take care of your face, take care of the things them. Come on, Twep, you go like me's a bad person to you. Come on, man. Deal with me better. Show me respect. Come give you respect. Show me respect.
This been since 3 o'clock. You not tired?
Me look tired. Me look like I'm just ready for start. Me not look tired. Cause look how me look sexy. See me in the hours and band in here. Me not ready for come. Me not start my shit yet. I know me not lick car yet. I'm naked. Me naked. And the next thing I'm underpants come off. Cause when you drop the blood clot, me pay your blood clot. Me take off my underpants. I'll show you. I pussy me have Twep on my underneath clean. So me can no blood clot. Twep me real out for your dirty blood clot. Now where talk to me. Twep me real out for you. You the one if I want butcher there with our blood clot fed. Talk to me, Twep. Come talk to me. Me real out for your dirty blood clot this man. Naked as a day my blood clot. Mother way over there, girl, you're bright.
You don't need no more Hennessy.
No, babes, what do you mean by me not need no more Hennessy? No. Babe, shut up my cup. Cause me no blood clot gone away yet. Shut up my blood clot cup. Bad man, girl, what do you want me tell you? So I go back for the car. What you say? I really go back for car and I get no bike because you don't know my business. Top me me never want to move come in the apartment. I go down for my knee and ball I show ya. Top me comfortable in my basement, you know. And you see that too because you're comfortable because you did it for 1 year. You come for one night. Top me you beg me for fuck it. Top come no man, talk to me no man. Top talk to me no you make me get crazy now with one buckle and people them place. Top make me get crazy. Come talk to me. You make me get real crazy in here now this morning. Top remember you beg me for fuck you. Me never want to touch the top but no me I touch it the blood clot because I drink the any and me talk right now at the any. And me at the any. So blame me when I'm morning when I see this is the any is not me. At the any I talk. Me know why you cause stop calling me because right now I'm dark. Where say? Yeah. Anyhow she go live. Anyhow she go live cause a 4 days she dey on live. Cause you know why I'm hurt I'm mad about this. Listen cause this all of this could have gone in my house and in the outside cause in my phone she go and see who me I deal with call along she just know me I deal with somebody but she don't know who. She go in my phone take the phone from the baby search and find problem and in a so me can in a misery with my woman and she in a misery. I lie you take to about come off of the internet today. I'm not ask you cause me I go show you say me I go take promo. You think Ivan I go take for the internet? You think cheese bring it down and nobody bring it yet? I lie you tell me Matic with that fucking your big wall I got blood clot bring it down. Remember me tell you that me I got bring it down because I don't ever say me I save things. Of course. Yes, I was saving things. Me did get warning about your dirty blood clot. Warning, on top of warning, and me did know you are got blood clot come one blood clot try bring me down. So of course, well, me save things in my phone. Me nah, I don't talk. Of course, me save things. Of course. And them things I want me say, some shot for fire and I got blood clot and kill you. Yeah? Of course. Where you say, I make girl over there talk about Twep, you know when you come on me, yeah, Twep. Twep, you know a 3 jam here full of underpants. Twep, come on. You make girl over there cry. Do you know say that about me where you are saying you over there call me say me ugly this and that, me not feel no way. And you know that. The minute you make one dirty girl and my mother, I can't this year in a girl. But what? Me not even go, me not go this case. See how I want this year? I can't this year because guess why? Me not like you, you know. Me not like you when say I love you today and tomorrow me not love you. You see true, I love Sophia. And she gonna save you. Remember me tell you that. You say me not like her, but God know. Thank God for that little girl who you push out. Cause today, you will resign off of Instagram and TikTok. You will resign in the name of Jesus. Me that sign out your blood clot profile for you and give a blood clot ticket and a stamp. You will never come back. You would have never come back. I'm going to send it to your phone and show you so me can bring down your dirty blood clot. I'm not going to put it on the internet and I'm going to send it to your phone and make you cry. You saw Sky bring down your dirty blood clot and you cry to me? Sky not bring it down yet. Sky not bring it down yet. Can you see this Twep? Me did have this for you. Specifically. You think me never know them day you come? I lie. You tell Matic never did idiot. Matic make sure they save 2 shots for go so pow and they your dirty blood clot. Yeah. So when you reel up like how you reel up now, me just fire them 2 shots under your ribs and calm down your blood clot. Nice and cute now blood clot. I want come tell like for me, bitch you know me never yet. One thing with me, don't come tell a lie. Bitch me never yet. Sharon Oakley. Bitch, me never yet chat my best friend Sharon Oakley. Nor Charlene Powell. Though when you come to don't blood clot feel like I'm coming around joke with my friend them. And you know that. So don't come feel like you can paint a picture so you can't blood clot make me and nobody have not because you know me not chat none of my best friend them with you. Me can make blood clot Sharon Oakley come deal with it this morning. You know that. But you are. Me no want season 2 come again, so me gonna just make season 2 rest. Me, I gonna make season 2 rest. Twep you can't look no back up yourself. You can't look no back up yourself. Twep go beard, you beard for morning? Go beard. Go beard right now where them know your blood clot good or green. Go beard Twep and stop following me up. Go beard. You saw me a wallet? You saw me a wallet? Alright. Me a wallet in a girl. I me a wallet with everything in a me in a girl. I'm a because of you. Come know that I go come around. Come know me is a person. Me is a fucking person who have a fucking heart. Me know that I go come kill me. Back in the later run, me not go make blood clot. You make me do that to that little girl. Say, hear me I tell you girl, as long as your blood clot, see me take it as my pussy blood clot till this morning. Today is the how much. Me fake. So you never know, say you fake a long time when the blood clot come. You could have fight and nobody don't know, you could have tear me up. That's why you say you always beat me come one or when you beat me. Cause me never know say you fuck up my blood clot pussy for you a beat me. You fuck out this yeah? Twep it never get touched. Twep this a virgin, this a baby. Me not ask you this a baby. Baby, Twep. No boy. Can't find for my front Twep what you mean by. You know that, cause you suck it so you know that. Twep me ever suck a pussy yet? Come here, you call me suck pussy. Ever hear no girl say no suck pussy by my name? Come talk to me now, man. You run some dirty joke with me now, girl. You run some careless joke with me now. You run some cake, you start this shit, you know, so make we finish it. You start it, make we finish it. Make we blood clot finish it. Then you go come talk. Come here, you come talk. Because Twep you see you always contradict yourself. You contradict. You say something today and tomorrow you say something else. Today you say good, tomorrow you say bad about a person. We know this. We know this. When you go come talk about me say Twep. I have 2 bus for my leg. Them yeah? Twep them are the least. Twep never yet take out no fly from underneath me. Twep never yet carry me go to the doctor. Twep never yet see me a drain. Twep never yet smell a funny scent for me. Twep always my underneath my blood clot. Real my meds underneath my period. Where you say Twep? You always remember you look for me and said, Matty, I can't believe you see a period because I don't smell nothing. Twep remember say my mother burnt me good no blood clot. What you mean by Twep? Talk to me. Twep talk to me. My mother burnt me good. My mother burnt me real blood clot good. When Sharon did a burn me, a nice clean thick daughter where they are so we get her father, body back, father people them shape, them burnt me good. Big up to my mother, cause when time I did young, she spent nice blood clot, good quality time for me. Cause the blood clot scent, yes sir. My mother never make it left, yes sir. Yeah, my mother did brush my tongue and scrub my blood clot to my use my local blood clot bathing rag and rub up my blood clot mouth. Twep what you mean by? Come here and talk about stinky mouth. Ask anybody. Nobody will know me upon the life of me ever talk